Well, let's try this again. I was doing a video on these fine tools here on the bed, and my camera cut me off. But here we go. These are ones I would use for deer hunting, and possibly even if I ever got a chance to go do any hog hunting. And you know the 223, 556 in the AR platform there. And we know about 8mm Mausers, how effective that round is. It's a hard-hitting, effective round. But I probably wouldn't take this one here because it's the antique of the two. This one here is an actual K98. And yes, for all the YouTube panic attackers, these are all unloaded. That's why the actions are open, so they don't go boom, boom. And the Henry 45 Colt, that would be good for deer. That'd be good for hog hunting. And the time-tested and true 30-30 Winchester. This one here has gone out deer hunting several times. This was handed to me by my dad as part of my inheritance. And that one there is a family heirloom. So there are the rifles that I would probably think about using for hog hunting. I've got ammunition for those, and there's been some people doing these. If I had to choose just one gun, if the government came in and started taking guns, and I had to just be able to choose one. Unfortunately, I know they wouldn't let me choose the AR platform because that's the one the government's the most afraid of. And I mean the government, not the American people that own them. They'd probably not let me keep the 8mm because there are certain surplus ammo still out there that are steel core, and they would panic about that. And these two down here on the end, the 30-30 and the 45 Colt Henry, they probably wouldn't consider them much of a threat, even though they have more of a capacity than some of the other firearms out there. But we all know that the 30-30 Winchester has its history from 1864 on. And I don't have to go through that. The Henry, this is the modern Henry rifle, but that 45 Colt caliber has a history of its own. And it continues to make history. I'll let you decide. But guess what? That 30-30 is one sweet rifle. Well, thank you for watching my video. I think I know which rifle I'd choose. And it's hard to get ammo for any of these, but still, I know which one I'd choose. And I'll let you make comments in the comment section below which one you think I'd choose. Well, thanks for watching. And like, share, and subscribe. We'll do more videos for you. Bye-bye.